Peggy 16.
Hello, I'm Niklas Vigrius from DICE, Design Director on Star Wars Battlefront. Whether it's fighting alongside friends on Hoth, piloting a TIE fighter high above Tatooine, or fighting rebel scum as Darth Vader, Star Wars Battlefront will immerse you in the epic Star Wars battles you've always dreamed of and create new heroic moments of your own. With our unprecedented partnership with Lucasfilm and the extraordinary talent and technology of our team at DICE, our vision is to deliver what we consider the most authentic and realistic Star Wars universe ever created for a video game. The team at Lucas really opened up the vault. We visited their famous Star Wars archives, as well as the real locations where the films were shot. Thanks to photogrammetry technology and the powerful Frostbite game engine, we're able to deliver players amazing digital replicas of the original Star Wars movie models, with a lifelike authenticity never before seen. From the lush forests of Endor all the way down to stormtrooper helmets and rebel blasters, the level of detail we're able to achieve is simply stunning. But what you see is only half the experience. We also visited Skywalker Sound, where our audio team got access to the original movie sound elements. When players pick up a lightsaber or step into an X-Wing in Star Wars Battlefront, we want them to experience that same childlike sense of wonder we all felt when we saw the movies for the first time. From epic 40-player multiplayer matches, to fighting side by side with a friend via split screen or co-op, Star Wars Battlefront will let you live out and create your own Star Wars battle fantasies. Be sure to check back for more Star Wars Battlefront dev diaries exclusively. And remember to pre-order Star Wars Battlefront, and on December 1st, be among the first players to experience the Battle of Jakku, the pivotal moment when the New Republic confronted key Imperial holdouts on a remote desert planet in the Outer Rim. For the team here at DICE, the opportunity to bring this experience to fans is a dream come true. We hope to see you on the battlefront when the game comes out. May the Force be with you, always.